Let me show you our Minimalist Perpetual Planner. It's an undated monthly, weekly planner. This planner is designed to help you stay organized, focused, and grateful without the clutter or feeling overwhelmed. Because it is undated, you can begin using it at any time. Here's our front and back covers, and we're going to go ahead and start with the monthly overview. In this page, you will write down your goals for the month in the goals section. Use the 1 to 31 calendar layout to jot down appointments, deadlines, or important dates, or keep track of keynotes, reminders in the notes sections. We also have this little space right here, so you could go ahead and put any quotes, any Bible scriptures you want to do, or even any drawings. So this is our 1 to 31 dates. Here we have our bill payment tracker. In this section or this page, you're going to stay on top of your finances. Use the bill payment and subscription tracker to record monthly payments, subscriptions, and due dates. Check them off as they are paid to keep your budget clear and simple. And next, we are going to see our weekly planner page. This section, we have your weekly planner. Here you have your top priorities, your to-do list, color, email, habit tracker, and to remember. Next is our gratitude and blessings pages. Here, every week you could go ahead and jot down your blessings, what you're grateful for, and it's going to be a lined journal page. Then we have our yearly overview. You're also going to be able to jot down your important dates for the year, such as weddings, birthdays, anniversaries, right here, and it's for the 2026 year. And this is how our journal will be looking. We're going to go ahead and print out the pages. We're going to go ahead and start printing out our covers. This is a beautiful rose flower with satin background. And these are our pages that we are printing. They will be printed front and back. As you can see here, I'm finishing these pages. And then once we're done, we're going to go ahead and turn it and go ahead and do our next print. So if you guys are interested in this journal, in our next video, I'm going to show you how I assemble it. It will be up on our website. You guys are welcome to go ahead and check it out. This is our launch. This is going to be our launch pretty soon. We will be having this journal. Take a look at it, and we'll see you guys in our next video. We're just going to finish up and printing our pages right here. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment, a like, and go ahead and follow us to watch our next video.